Ayan. Okay, very good. Okay, ito prize. This is for you. Thank you, very good. Okay, ilan na yung hearts? 3. Last one po. Last one. Because we have 5 hearts. Okay. Okay. Ayan, sa'yo na, Daddy. Ayan. Hey, jump up. Hearts up. Kaya. Oh. Sabi sa'yo, kaya eh. Sino yung walang nauupuan will be eliminated or out na to. Okay? Ayan. Ikaw, Kuya, gets mo ba? Alam mo ba yung games na to? Okay? Alam mo ba na kailangan sumayaw habang may music? Pag mag-stop yung music, you have to find a chair na mauupuan. Okay? Eh, kailangan sumayaw. Opa! Ayan. Sino walang nauupuan? Okay, ayan pa. Meron pa isa. Ano ba yan? Okay, it's okay, Kuya. Okay, meron ka ba rin prizes. Very good. Okay, tayo. Bawas sa'yo isa na.
Dance, dance. Dance.
Ano sa'yo yung ate? Ayan. Upa! Kaya yung already si ate. Okay. Very good. Congratulations.
Attend ako sa mga storya mo kung mas-feel lang sa
Gani, sadyag.
excited ako. Kung ano naman ang mga
Basi,
Waki. 1, 2, 3. Waki. Ayan. And we see Jollibee Lab. Alright, thank you so much, Master Jollibee. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Alright, then, in a count of 3, blow your candle. 1, 2, 3. No! No, baby! Alright, Zed is now officially 2 years old. Alright, so once again, okay, this time requesting Lolas and Lolas cross the slide nito. Eyes on the camera. 1, 2, 3. Smile. 3. Walking. Okay, this time requesting all of the... Okay, thank you so much. So, andyan na ba si Lolo? Wala pa? Smile. And Waki naman po. Waki. 1, 2, 3. Waki. So want to have a photo opportunity together with Master Jollibee. Napag-selfie na ng crew dito. Kita tayo picture na dahil lang po. Bagasan naman. Master Jollibee will go home. After you receive the regards and giveaways. Ayan. Okay, tulungan mo naman po po ang Okay. Ayan. Okay. What will you say? Come here dito po. What will you say? Thank you. Okay, thank you, Zed. Next, what will you say? What will you say?